Welcome to Stratton Car Company. Here we have a Vauxhall Meriva, registered in February 2010 on a 59 plate. The car has done 101,088 miles and benefits from a comprehensive history with Vauxhall main dealers. Now, this vehicle is being sold as spares repairs purely because we are unable to warrant it due to its mileage, so we cannot provide a warranty. As such, we do not inspect them, but we will make you aware of any visible faults we find and that are blatantly obvious. We recommend you thoroughly test drive and inspect the vehicle and satisfy yourself. The advantage for yourself is that you are able to purchase this vehicle effectively as a trade sale and therefore substantially behind the retail price, which would be in excess of £2,000. To save any unwanted trips, I'm going to demonstrate now the few little marks the vehicle has got. Broadly, it's a very clean car, certainly for its age and mileage. But with every car, it is going to have the odd marks. So, as you'll see there, it's had some slight minor touching in the front bumper. As I walk around the car, it does have Continental tyres on the front. There was a light scratch to the door there. A few little light scratchings to the car there. Generally, it could benefit from a good valet. There's a slight bumper scuff to the rear there, and a little mark on the bumper there. I would say that broadly it's a very clean car for its age and mileage. It could do with a full valet, although by any means it's not filthy. It does have the twin glass roofs up the top there. The air conditioning is cold, it starts on the button exactly as it should. We have both keys to the vehicle. We welcome any inspection and any test drive. This vehicle is sold as spares repairs. It's a legal definition, basically a trade sale but available to the general public. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch.